Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying hardware and preparing media. Check TPM2. 0, secure boot and minimum RAM/storage. These are required. Once confirmed, download the official Windows 11 ISO and create a bootable USB using Rufus or Media Creation Tool. Reboot into UEFI/BIOS and switch to UEFI mode, enable secure boot and TPM. This ensures the installer runs without compatibility blocks. Make sure the USB is first in boot order. Then save settings and boot the installer. You'll see the Windows setup screen. Choose Language and click Install now. If this is a new PC, choose Custom Install to create and format partitions. Delete existing partitions only if you're sure you want a clean disk. Create an EFI system partition and primary partition. The installer may auto-create required system partitions. When prompted, enter a Windows key or skip activation and sign in with a Microsoft account later. Once the files copy, the installer will reboot and continue configuring drivers and features automatically. Finish the out-of-box experience by selecting Region, Keyboard, and creating your user account. Choose Privacy Settings and run Windows Update to fetch drivers. After setup, install chipset, GPU, and network drivers from the manufacturer to ensure stability and performance. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Double-check Secure Boot and TPM are enabled, recreate the USB installer on a verified 8 GB plus stick, and try a different USB port. If errors persist, note the error code. You can retry from UEFI with corrected settings and a fresh installer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.